Now we will explore the hierarchy of objects in VBA. Understanding this hierarchy is essential for navigating and manipulating Excel objects efficiently with your VBA code. Let's start from the top of the hierarchy. At the top of the hierarchy, we have the application object. The next level is the workbook object. Within a workbook, we have the worksheet object. Next, we have the range object. Finally, the cell. Let's take a closer look at this hierarchy using an example. The application. This object represents the entire Excel application and allows you to control it. For instance, you can reference it directly to manage application-wide settings and behaviors. Workbook. This object represents a single Excel file. Referencing a specific workbook is necessary when you are working with multiple workbooks and need to ensure your code interacts with the correct one. A workbook represents an Excel file and contains all the worksheets and other data. You can open, close, and manipulate workbooks using this object, making it fundamental for managing your Excel projects. Worksheet. This represents a single sheet within the workbook. Referencing the correct worksheet is important when your workbook contains multiple sheets. Each worksheet represents a single sheet within the workbook. You can use this object to access and manipulate data on specific sheets, allowing for detailed control over your spreadsheets. Range object refers to a group of cells within a worksheet. It's used for reading and writing data, formatting cells, and performing other cell-specific operations. A range represents a cell or a collection of cells within a worksheet. This object is highly versatile and allows you to read, write, and format cell data. Cell object is a reference to an individual cell within a range. While not explicitly separate from range, a single cell can be considered the most granular unit you can manipulate.